In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily make your X account private. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up X app. After that, tap right here at the top left corner on your profile picture. Then tap at Settings and Support and select Settings and Privacy. Once it is done, scroll down a bit and tap at Privacy and Safety, and then Audience and Tagging. And that's where all we have to do in order to protect our account is activate these two options: protect your posts and protect your videos. If you activate both of them, it will show your posts and videos just to people who follow you. And that's how we can easily make our X account private. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.